Hey guys, hope you're doing good. Well, let's fix Bluetooth not working or Bluetooth on and off button is missing. So let's get started. So the very first thing we need to do is to right click in the start button and then click on Device Manager. And you can also open by pressing Window and R and type dev mgmt.msc. It will open up the device manager for you. Once the device manager is opened, we need to select the Bluetooth. Once you click on this drop down menu, all of the Bluetooth device will be opened. Now let's say if my mouse is not working, I'll just select the mouse and I'll just do a right click and then I'll just disable and then enable it and see if that's working or not. If it's not, we will move to the next step. Make sure you watch the whole video and do not make any kind of different steps. Alright, so if this is not working, we'll move to the next step, which is again do a right click and then click on update driver. Now here click on search for automatic drivers. If it says the best driver is already installed, you can select it from Windows Update. Search for updated drivers on Windows Update. Now it will take another 2 to 5 minutes according to your internet speed. See if it's updating and installing a new driver for your Bluetooth device. If it doesn't work, we will again move to the third step, which is doing a right click and go to Properties and in the Driver tab uninstall device. Now once you uninstall this device, you just need to restart or just click on scan for. Once you uninstall it, I will not, because the moment I'll uninstall, my mouse will not work. So you just have to uninstall it and then in the computer name section, which is at the very top, or go to Actions and select scan for hardware changes. See if it's working. Okay. And again, if it doesn't work, then here in the search bar, type settings and open the settings menu. And here type troubleshooter. The moment you will type troubleshoot, you will find troubleshoot settings. Click on that, please. And then we need to go to additional troubleshooters and look for the Bluetooth option and run the troubleshooter. See if it's fixing the problem, because Windows 10 troubleshooters are really very effective. So let me know if that works. Let me know in the comment section as well if you have issues with the Bluetooth and all. I'll definitely help you. Alright, and if it doesn't work, then what you can do is you can plug that USB device to a different different port. See if that is working or not. Okay, so hit the like button and do subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day.